Hello guys, good morning everyone. So welcome to my YouTube channel English with Dilip. So guys, today day is very special for the already married and they have girlfriend. So today Karwa Chauth. So congratulations every guys and they are already married. So and welcome to new session. This video is very helpful for everyone and everyone want to learn English language. So why important English language? Yes, why important English language for everyone, and everyone are learning English language. So this language is very important. Yes, if you want to survive everywhere, so if you want to survive anywhere, so you can, you know English language, then you can survive easily to everywhere. Yes, everywhere. Like you want to go any abroad country and foreign country, so you can also survive. And if you know guys, our mother tongue is Hindi language, and I am from tribal area, so there is our native language is different from Hindi to English. So this is a very tough to learn English language, but I have a chance, I have opportunity, so that's why I am getting this my chance and this my opportunity. So I every time read English language, read English and learn new things from social media and any other platform. So that's why I am able to speak English. Yes, and I lot of practice did in front of mirror, and I lot of practice did in with my friends and with my colleagues. So that's why I am able to speak English now, and I can speak English. I can't speak English fluently, but I am able to speak English like normal. So that's why I am practicing in front of mirror, in front of mobile camera, everything, any kind of thing I have to do practice. And I did lot of practice. Yes guys, I did lot of practice, and that's why I am making this video, because my English is good and not good. So I this video I will check by myself. So my main intention is this, and if if my pronunciation is not good, so I want to improve in next video. So that's why making this video. And you know guys, if you know English language and if you don't know English language, so any foreign people comes in your town city and he comes in your you like your city, so you he meet you and you don't know about English language and you don't know English, how to speak English and how to communicate to each other. So then how will you do that time? What will you do? So this is a very important, this very like that time insult. So that's why you have to chance, you have to opportunity, so you can use. And guys, time is never comes again, so time is very precious. Yes guys, time is very precious, and you have to use your time and you have to do. Yes, hard work is a man important. Yes, whatever you are doing in your room, yes, whatever you are doing in your room, but hard work, and discipline is the most important. So this is very important. So now just I am alone in my room, so I am practicing in front of mirror and in front of mobile camera, but just now I am recording this video in my mobile phone. So this is very helpful for me, and I am a discipline that day, and every time I discipline, so I am in discipline, so I can do lot of work and I can did lot of work in my past. So you have to live in discipline. Yes, and my main intention is develop my communication skill and improvement on myself. So if you want to improvement like me, and if you want to learn English like me, you can also speak English like me, and you can also speak and you can also learn English better than me. So you have to do work. Yes guys, you have to do work, and you have to learn English by social media and by any platform. You can learn English and you can understand easily. So this is a very important. Now every friends, they are English medium and I am a Hindi medium student, so I can't understand that time. So that's why I lot of practice did, and I am able to speak English front of them and in front of everyone. So that's why I am in front of speaking in my mobile. So mobile is very important. If you have a mobile, and you can call easily anybody and any person. So like you have to choose any random topic, and you have to speak a lot of sentence and lot of like you have to write conversation in your notebook, write down in your notebook, and you have to remember that after some time you have to remember what I write that time and what I wrote that time. So this is very important. Yes guys, so now practice makes man perfect. Yes guys, practice makes man perfect. So you have to do practice each and every day, each and every single day. You have to do practice at least 20 to 30 minutes each and every single day, and you will see continuously at least 30 days, and you have to see your impact, your improvement after 30 days. What is my improvement and what is my level of English like understanding and speaking? You have to see after 30 days. It will very challenging for you guys. It is very different. It is very after change yourself. This is very helpful for you and very happy that time you will yourself. You like think that I started my English journey and I improvement like you will that time. So you have to speak in front of mirror, and you have to do practice maximum perfect. So you have to do, and I'm alone in my room, so that's why I am practicing in front of mirror, in front of mobile of camera, and every time I did practice, and I do practice because if I have a time, if I have a get time, so that I can do practice. But if I cannot do that time practice, that I write down in my notebook lot of conversation and lot of proverbs and phrases and vocabulary and everything I write down in my notebook. So guys, we will meet next time. So this video is going longer, so we will meet any next video. Next video will come soon. So thank you guys, and thank you for watching this video, and you will support me because I am new YouTuber, so I am not getting more subscriber. So you will subscribe my YouTube channel, and you comment me in comment box. So as I told you, my main intention is learning English language and fluently speak English, like fluency. I want to check my fluency. I want to speak English. So you have to so I am speaking loudly and clearly. So what is my mistake, I will see this video and I will improve by this video, improvement by this video. So it's very helpful for me and very benefit for me. So thank you guys, we will meet next video, and you will subscribe my YouTube channel.